morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about classification of hotel. Classifications of hotels. Hotels can be classified into the following way. We can classify it on the basis of size. For example, small hotel, average hotels, large hotel, and mega hotel. On the basis of star system. For example, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, and 5 star. On the basis of location. For example, resorts hotel, downtown hotels, suburban, and motel on the basis of locations, on the basis of ownership. Classification of hotel on the basis of size. Size refers to the number of rooms. Various categories on the basis of size are small hotel. A hotel with 25 rooms or less is called small hotel. Average hotels. A hotel with 26 or 99 rooms is called an average hotel. Above average hotel. A hotel with 100 to 299 rooms is called above average hotel. Large hotel. A hotel with more than 300 rooms is classified as large hotel. Classifications of hotel on the basis of star system. The star categories to the hotels are given by the committee called Hotels and Restaurant Approval and Classification Committee HRACC. For example, 1 star hotel, 2 star hotel, 3 star hotel, 4 star hotel, 5 star hotel, 5 star deluxe, and 5 star super deluxe. Classification of hotel on the basis of location. City, downtown, commercial hotel. These hotels are located in the heart of the city. These hotels are more expensive than the suburban hotel. These hotels are patronized by businessmen and high income tourists. These hotels are centrally located at a convenience distance from markets, railway stations, airports, etc. Classification hotel on the basis of location. Suburban hotels. These hotels are located in the suburb of city, moderately priced, and are mostly medium, large, or small hotel. Normally, these hotels are patronized by low budget tourists, the tourists who do not want to stay in the heart of the city as they want to be away from hostels and bustles of the city prefer these hotels. Usually, writers, poets, low budget tourists, etc. prefers to stay at suburban hotels. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com.